Hey guys, today we have an Pro 2. Yes, I know it looks nothing like an Pro because this isn't your normal average Pro. It is now a Betty Pro. With a custom resin case in this very tasteful green, and the keycaps I think are XDA Rainbow or something, I'm not really sure. But man, this came out great. Let's hear how it sounds. Oh, wait. That's why I'm here. Let's fix that. Let's remove the keycaps. Look at how thick those keycaps are. Would go great with some nice stocky switches. Wink wink. But blue switches. I mean, I get the appeal of clickies, admittedly. I had a set of Killbox whites on my mass drop alt. They were fun at first. So yeah, I think I would rather not wake up the whole house when I play or do some work. And they give off this bad image to mechanical keyboards as being noisy and just a disturbance, but they really aren't, as you've seen on my channel. Like and subscribe. Anyway, taking off the screws. It's nice to see how far the improvements in case availability have gotten with the Pro especially. I remember people struggling to find better cases to use on their Pros, but now there are alu cases, resin cases, and even wood cases. Pretty good for a pre-built if you ask me. My camera died. You guys don't want to see the soldering 61 switches anyway, so it's fine. Magic switches are off. So the switches we are going to use today are the glorious Lynx switches, which are nice and smooth, especially when lubed, and then we film them so that it's better, you know, less wobble and all that. All done by yours truly. Only problem we have with this combo, the Pro only accepts 3-pin switches. These Lynx switches are 5-pin. So anyway, we have to cut them up. It took me so long to do these, but you're just gonna watch it in a few seconds. Lucky you. I have to convert this soldered keyboard into a hot swap one with mil-max sockets, of course. Usually I use 0305 mil-max sockets, but these are 7305s. Now I know it's double the price, but still, I think it's a lot better than the 0305s. Hear me out. It's more durable because it's in the natural position and you don't have to worry about it when aligning it properly compared to reverse mil-maxing the 0305s to avoid the interference, right? So that to me is alone the better option for the mil-max sockets. Modern builds call for some TLC. Yes, I said TLC. This is what I'm calling when we do PE foam and Tempest mods on builds. So I'm cutting off the parts where the stabs land on the PE foam because the sound the stabs make when they land on the PE foam just sucks. It's lackluster, it's cringe, it's bad, it's nightmare into the abyss of nothingness. Sorry, that got dark. Yeah, we're replacing the stock stabs with some Durock stabs because they sound a whole lot better in my opinion. Don't believe me? I have proof! I have proof! So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like and sub. Leave a comment if you think you've seen a more tricked out pre-built in the history of the universe. See you guys next week. Bye!